Hello everyone. Welcome to first episode of series on Spark internals. In this episode, we will do the basic setup to so that we can run all the Spark internals jobs. Okay. So there are two prerequisites for this. One is Docker and the other is Python. Okay. We'll see that first on Windows how to install these things and start the project. Okay. So first we'll install Python. So I'll just go to the Google Chrome browser, search for Python. I'll just say go to download Python. And here I'm looking for a specific version, which will be 3.12.10. For this tutorial, we will need this. So once we click on that, we'll come to this page. And here I'm using Windows 64-bit. So I'll click on here. So this will download this. I'll start the installation. So in this installation, you have to be very precautious that you always click on this add path exe.to path. This will add the Python to the environment variable. Just click on this, click on install. This is done. We can check that by opening the terminal. There we type Python. You will see Python 3.12.10 is installed. Now the next step is Docker. So you can just type install Docker on Windows. You can click on install, and here you can download this. Okay. So once you download, this is normal setup. You don't need to configure anything while setup. You just need to install like the way you install any other application. Since I'm using a virtual machine, I can't show that. Okay, but if you face any issues when installing them, please post a comment on the thread. Okay, so once that is done, then the next step is we will clone this project. Okay, so we go to the Chrome, we search for this project. So learn before, we'll find a Spark internals. I'll go to Spark internals, and I'll simply download a zip file. Okay, so I'll download that zip file on let's say desktop. Save. So this will quickly download this. Go to desktop, unzip it. That all done. Then here in this directory, I can start a command prompt and just say pip install UV. UV is a dependency management tool. Okay, so it will add all the Python related, Pyspark related dependency. So we install that. It will create even the virtual environment for your project. Done. And then you just say UV sync. This will add the dependencies. So once that is done, I'll run a different command of a Docker, to run the Docker. So once you install the Docker successfully, you need to start the Docker application, and then you need to run one command once this completes. This is completed. Now I just need to run Docker compose up. So as of now, once you run this, all your container will be up, and you will see something like this. Docker compose up. So my container is running. So it will start building some images. Okay, once that image is built, it will start the container. It started the container. Now we can go to Docker desktop, and in Jupyter Lab, you need to click on this 8888 port. So this will open something like this in the browser. Okay, for the first time, you might see that it is asking for some token. So the token is nothing but Jupyter itself. Okay, the token is Jupyter in a small letter, Jupyter. Okay, so you see here, this has started the notebook. I can even run this. So this is starting this. Now this will read. I have kept some file. This will start. This has already read. Now if you want to see Spark UI, you need to go back to the Docker container, and this 4040 port is nothing but this was Spark UI. So you see Spark UI is there. Okay. That's all. Thank you.